welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be doing a room decor / furniture shopping and haul. Now this video is really exciting for me because aside from fashion, this is what I'm really into, like interior designing and room decor and stuff like that. Like you can leave me at a furniture store for hours and I wouldn't complain at all because I know this is like a very tita thing, but I don't know, I just find it so therapeutic. But the case is, sometimes it could get really pricey. That's why for today's video, I'll be showing you guys some stuff. Now, I didn't buy these all at once. It took some time for me na ipunin sila, hanapin sila from different stores like Shopee, Daiso, Lazada, SM department store, and some are even thrifted or like locally made. So if you're interested to know all the things that I got, then just please keep on watching. First things first, when I posted this photo on my Instagram stories, a lot of you guys asked me, as in a lot of you hanggang ngayon tinatanong nyo, where exactly is that place? And ladies and gentlemen, that is the Dapitan Arcade. Now, the Dapitan Arcade is like a place here in Manila, Philippines where you can buy like vintage stuff, thrifted, or like products that are locally made here. Wow, this is cool.
What's that?
Sean, paano yan?
Wow.
Ha? Baka bawal eh.
Pwede yan.
Ha? Sige nga, mo. Ah! Wow. Na-elips na po kami. Thank you po. Hello! Diyan ka mag-hi. Doon ka dyan. Dito, dyan. Gano'n ka. Sige pa. Sige pa. Hanggang sa kalsada. Joke lang. Yan, mag-hi ka. Hi. Sige, doon ka pa sa kalsada. Doon ka pa. So, this is the first thing that I got from the Dapitan. So this is the first thing that I got from the Dapitan Arcade. Actually, they're not together. I bought this separately. Super dami talagang vase or vase sa Dapitan Arcade. But this is what caught my attention the most because I really love the peachy color and how minimalist it looks. I'm actually looking for like a huge planter for a tall plant because I plan on buying a tall plant as well. And then I also got this fake roses. Super dami ring parang fake plants. I think I also bought this one there. This like fake plant. I also got this tin can, so you can also put the plant there. Now for this too, I didn't particularly bought this at the Dapitan Arcade, but Sean got this for me during my birthday and I saw something similar na ganito sa Dapitan Arcade. So this is like a unicorn figurine. Maganda siyang piece for my room. Now this is like a golden piece of room decor. I don't know what you call this exactly, but what I do is I put my plant inside. I don't know how I did it last time, pero napasok ko siya dati. And then Sean also got this for me during my birthday and it actually lights up. So, and then I also got this pot or planter from the Dapitan Arcade and this was only for 40 pesos. Super bait na nagtitinda, like sabi niyo, oh, thank you so much. Looks nice, right? Now, the last thing that I got from the Dapitan Arcade is this jewelry box. As in, super helpful neto in organizing my stuff. Now, this was originally for like 1,000 pesos, pero natawaran ko siya for 900 or 950. Now, moving on to my organizer. Now, let's first start with Ace Hardware. I got this acrylic ones. This is actually for my makeup. Now, I really love the quality of these acrylic organizers because it doesn't look cheap at all, even if the price is really affordable, like compared to other acrylic organizers out there. If I'm not mistaken, nakuha ko na tong apat na to for around 600. So, super tagal ko na naghahanap ng mga acrylic organizers, but most of the time, they're quite pricey. But these ones are really affordable, and the thing that I like about it is the quality. Kasi guys, you know, di porket affordable, laging parang cheap yung material niya. You just really have to have the patience in finding things na affordable pero maganda, like this one. Because yung parang cheap or affordable na acrylic organizers, parang bluish yung tone ng ganito niya. And I kind of don't like that. That's why I'm really happy that I saw this sa Ace Hardware. Now for Daiso naman, I also got this brush holder. Again, hindi cheap looking yung acrylic niya. And then the next one, I actually posted this on Instagram and some of you guys asked me, and yes, this is for Daiso and I only got it for 88 pesos. And I also got this cosmetic organizer, although I'm not really a fan of that texture, but it's fine. It just goes inside my drawer and I really love the dividers kasi na parang sakto siya sa sticky notes na square. By the way, I also got this at the Ace Hardware and this will go right here. It's like a light bulb wherein I'll be... So this is what it will look like when it lights up. So ito yung magiging parang bedside lamp ko. Now let's move on to Shopee, shall we? Shopee! Okay, so for the first thing that I got from Shopee is this sheepskin or fake fur rug. You know the thing about online shopping, it's kind of scary to buy because mali yung dimensions or hindi accurate yung dimensions na sinabi nila. But I'm quite surprised with this one. It exceeded my expectations and I really love the quality. I found this at a furniture store. It was around 5,000. Like, guys, 5,000 for this sheepskin rug that I can get for 500 pesos. Hello! But anyway, I also got this one. Although this is quite pricey, it's around 1,700. I'm not sure. I haven't opened it yet because baka madumihan pa siya. Hindi pa ready yung room ko. It's not yet fully finished. But I got this one. It's like a wool blanket. I'll put a photo over here so you guys can see. Oh, this one too. This is like a hanging plant. Although I want to get a new pot, like something gold, or maybe I'll just spray paint this gold. So yeah. Okay, now I actually got 3 furnitures from Shopee and those are like my bedside tables and the chair that I'll be using for my study table. Now I got 2 tables there. Okay, so up next are from the Landmark and SM department store. Hey guys! Today, we will be buying some things for my room again. Actually, katuloy ito nung ano yung... yeah. And... I don't know. Ano nang gagawin? Yun lang yung dapat yung malaman. Oo! Bigla akong nagkaroon ng sugat. Hindi ko alam bakit. Parang... Gosh, that's filthy. Bakit ka ba natatawa? Kasi alam mo yung mga sugat na parang bigla nila nag-a-appear.
Parang sugat din.
Kasalanan mo to eh. Kasi tinitext kita kanina, tapos parang bigla ko na lang naramdaman na, alam mo yun, nagtitext ako ganyan. Tapos parang sabi ko, ano yun ang update? Tapos tinignan ko,
Paano?
tinignan ko, tapos, tinignan ko siya, tapos ayun, biglang may sugat. Ay, I like that. What? May room tour battle kami ni Sean na gagawin. Nanalo naman ako.
May bet tayo. Magpa-poll tayo sa kanila, tapos kailangan mag-vote sila. Tapos lagyan natin ng categories kasi pangit pagka ano lang yung parang sino mas maganda lang.
Hindi, wala. Ako nanalo na kasi ako. Nanalo na ako.
Or aestheticness, gano'n.
Okay, fine.
Conduciveness for studying.
Okay, fine.
Shop with me. Ma'am, bagal mong lakad, ma'am. Paano lakad ng model? Anong model yan? Model ng suka?
I'm gonna get this.
Ano yan?
It's basket for my skincare. I'm not gonna get this anymore. Wala, ito pala yung phone ko. Okay, so... Gusto ko ng ganun na white.
Ano yan?
I'm gonna get that.
Bed sheet?
I've read that already sa mga pics ko.
Hindi. Hindi talaga. Isang sapatos ko pa lang, ubos na yung ano mo.
Okay, so we're here at my favorite spot sa mga mall. In Tiger.
Parang si Garfield.
Uy, 579 lang. I want. Kasi parang masyado na siyang jungle-y. Gets mo?
Hindi naman. Pwede siyang aesthetic.
Grabe naman to. Puro likod ko yung filter.
Ganda mo eh. Oo.
Ganda mo eh. Yay! I want the white one. Yes! 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 Ay, ang cute. Kasi ang cute na ito. May tape dispenser na.
Yeah, tapos you have
Kasi
your
parang
special...
iba yung pagka-acrylic niya. Gets mo?
Yeah,
yung medyo bluish. Buy two, take one. Okay ka lang? Parang on the way to fatherhood ah. Ayan, yan po yung haul niya. Bedroom slavers! Yes! Okay, so I'll go first for my landmark haul. So I got this rattan organizer for my bedside table where I can put my skincare stuff and all of that. Now this costs for 429 pesos. This is what it looks like. And then I also got this plant, which is similar to the one that I got from the Dapitan Arcade, but it's something bigger. This is 250 pesos. I don't exactly know what this fake plant is trying to imitate. Like, ano yung name ng plant na to? But comment down below if you know. Kasi very aesthetic para sa akin yung vibe ng plant. And then sa landmark, I also got a new duvet there. And of course, if there's a new duvet, also there's a new cover for it. I just chose the plain white one. And then for the SM department store, I got this one. It actually lights up. And you can put like different letters. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, parang may different letters and characters na pwede mong insert. And it actually lights up. Wait, I'll try. Yeah, it lights up. So, it's very cute. And then the next thing that I got is this rattan bin. It's like a hamper, but I really bought this for the purpose where I can put all of the PR packages that I'm receiving. So, naka-organize sila and aware ako na hindi ko pa sila na-film. So, yeah. Oh, and by the way, the tapestry that you're seeing, I actually got that from New Chic, and also this one. This is from New Chic. It's like a gold magazine holder. Oh, yeah, I also got this from New Chic. I want all the trinkets in my room to be gold as much as possible. So, yeah, I also got this gold scissors. And from National Bookstore, I got this. I know these are like school supplies, but they make an impact in gold paper clips, so it would look nice here. Na parang isa yung color na nakikita. Dimen Organizer Express. It's like a typewriter na parang nasa tape. I don't know if you're familiar with that, but I'll show a clip. And this was just a gift from National Bookstore. Thank you so much, National Bookstore. I really love it. I'm so obsessed with it, actually. Now, I finally got my dream neon light, my dream Bible verse neon light. I've been wanting this one for so long, and it's actually custom made. It's actually inspired from the one in my intro na neon light sign na pink, neon pink. And then I also got my desk from Lazada. I'll just be inserting a photo here because andyan pa siya, nasa box pa siya, hindi ko pa siya na-assemble because I don't know how to assemble it. Like, I need a carpenter to do it for me because I can't understand the manual kasi Chinese siya. And hindi ko siya mag-gets na picture lang kasi super daming nails involved. And then for this one, I actually turned my desk into my vanity table and finally put it there. This is also custom made. And nung pinagawa ko to, around 3,000 siya, and it contains 6 light bulbs. And then I also got this bed palette from Dimen Woodworks, and this is actually custom made as well. So that's my bed palette. Hindi ko pa siya nasi-set up because as you can see, may plastic pa and all. So yeah. So that's about it for this video. I actually have more room-related content coming up. Like, I'll be doing like a decorate with me. And eventually, of course, the room tour that you have been asking for a long, long time already. And I know, don't worry, I'll give it to you guys. And just to put it out there, I am no way bragging in any shape or form. This is actually some of my hard-earned money here of what I make off of YouTube. And without you guys watching my videos, I wouldn't slowly shift into this type of content because as what I've said, I don't know if I said it already, but this is like one of my dream content, and that was like interior designing, room decor, and you know, aside from fashion, these are the things that I love. Yeah, thank you so much, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!